Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to render a single segment in Final Cut Pro X. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Final Cut and open your project and this your all media files and click and render these media files, not render this. Alright, press R your keyboard or click this and click arrange selection. Alright, and select your media file and this, alright, and click Command E and open Windows export file and this 6 seconds and click on next and write name and click on enter and render finish 6 seconds and check file and 6 seconds. Alright, and that's all.